On your Motorola phone, if you're having different types of issues that requires you to turn on recovery or fast boot mode, we're going to show you how to enter and exit these two modes so that in time of need, you can easily do that. We're using Motorola Edge 50 Fusion for this video, but this process will work on any Moto phone series like E, G, Stylus, Razr running on Android 15. Now to enter recovery mode, it's quicker if you first turn off your device. But if you can't turn off the screen because the screen lock is enabled, what you need to do is just forget everything, press and hold the volume down and power button. Keep pressing it whatever on your screen till you end up in this broken Android guide section. If it goes away, don't worry, release the buttons and press it once again. Now here, you can use your volume rocker to go up and down to the function you want to perform. And then you can select it with the power button. Now if you want to perform, let's say, a factory reset, then you need to enter the recovery mode. So go to recovery, select it. Now you will end up in this no command mode. Don't be afraid, just press and hold on your power button and then press once on this volume up button. You will end up in recovery. Now from here as well, you can perform whatever problem you're facing using the same key combination. Now either you are in your fast boot or recovery. To exit these modes and restart your device, just select reboot system now, that's all. And that's how you can enter and exit recovery and fast boot on your Motorola phone. Thanks for watching.